Use discount code JacobVile when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. What? Yeah. Well, that's tight. Yep. There you go. Was there any amps on that side? Yeah. Oh, go see it. Same one. Okay. So you have two of the Wolfram 7500. Okay. Nice. How thick is this glass?
3/4 inch.
Okay. Looks really good.
Yeah, I seen you at like Slam Fest 2019. Told you I was going to a wall flag.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Wow. Okay. What's your name and what's in here, man?
Kevin Ruppke. We got two ZV618s with 120 amp hour unit long, two Wolfram 7500s and two 370s up front.
Nice. Are you able to mount these regular if you ever chose to, or is it not deep enough?
Not deep enough.
Okay. Looks really good. You built this? Nice job.
I ain't done yet.
Not done?
I'm about to rip it all out for 3 on the
Oh, so you're gonna, is it gonna stay fourth? Flat wall.
It's a 6th order right now.
It is? Oh, it is a 6th. Okay. Oh, there they are. Wow, that's a pretty cool. So what are the tunings on this?
25, 50.
25 and 50, okay. What's making you want to take it into a flat wall?
I got too much power.
Okay. So you want to get that third one in and strap all three together? Got it. Nice. What's your bandwidth and your SPL score, if you know?
I haven't ran it on SPL. I've ran it on one of my buddy's meter. I did a 53.9 before I had it on sealed up.
Yeah. Got it. And your bandwidth, how, what, pretty good, or?
It'll go down to 18.
Okay.
And it'll go all the way up until it stops.
Yes, sir. Nice. All right. Nice little dash here too. I like everything. Looks good. Are your amplifiers at 1 ohm each?
They're strapped from 1 ohm.
Oh, so half ohm per amp. Oh wow. Okay, that's some power. Yeah.
Yeah, it's too much power. I need this new thing.
It's okay.
I was just listening to a song on the way here.
Is there a way I can see the amp on the other side? Yep. That worked really good for sealing right there. Seals it right at the line. Nice. And you really built right into the vehicle. You didn't slide it in. Optimal space.
It's built in.
It is.
It's part of it.
Yeah. Are you going to be able to use the same chamber for the wall, you think?
I got 20. If I pull all that out, I got 26 cubes in there.
26, okay. 26 should be more than enough for 315's flat wall. 18. I mean 18, sorry, yeah, 318s. Yeah, nice. question for you. Do you know your cubic space on the bottom and top?
8 on the bottom, 15 on the top.
Okay, almost a 2-to-1. Okay. Does it do better window up or down here? Up, okay. That's pretty low. Do you have a song a little bit higher? That one gets down to like 18. It felt really low.
Yeah, that was 18 to 26.
Okay.
28 to 39.
28 to 39, okay.
29.
Okay. All right. For 2 subs, that's pretty good. So, yeah. Nice. Appreciate the demo, man. Sounds really good. Nice and clean, and I hope that upgrade I said working on a triple sub system goes well if that's what you plan on doing. So.